Hi, welcome to GOCCOPRO UK. Today I'm going to show us printing onto a little pencil case. We're just going to do some simple wording and again we just drag our image into the print area, our template, fit to page, and what you can see here is I've got some wording here and I've turned wording upside down so I can use the two ends of the screen independently. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to drag it down a little bit because I want this to sit a little bit lower when I'm going to print it through, and then I hit send, and once again the item returns to my MiScreen, and we got one of our frames, the arrow to the arrow, we pop it down and we send it off. I love the fact that the MiScreen software shows you completely what you've to do and how you've to actually get your screen ready for printing. It takes 35 seconds for the screen to be exposed, no time at all really, and when you think how quickly and how you've been able to prepare your artwork so quickly as well, it is a wonderful system that I have to say I think I love. So here we can see our imagery onto the screen, and we're just going to pop it into the frame. Just make sure I get it lined up right. Tighten this down. Yeah, I've already got a little bit of plastisol ink onto my screen, and here I've got a little felt pencil case actually. I'm just going to pull this down a little bit. I want it a wee bit lower. There we go. Put my ink down, one pass. And here we have the adage that I always look at with my pencil case: today is going to be a good day. Look on the YouTube, follow through more of our videos, and you'll get to see many other aspects of how easy and how good it is to print with a MiScreen. Thanks very much for watching.